Guys, oLerato Nxumalo abanqeni ukuyohlala in Sweden umuntu ayihlalele nje nomlungu wakho and not post on YouTube. At that time mike thina some of us umuntu uposta 2-3 times a day on What's the Tea siyahlaziya and on News Galo, that celebrity channel. News Galo for Days, the one that I have here ngefuthi lele uNews Galo for Days ngiyaposta ngikwabona, and then kodwa uhola 9,003 but uposte for a month uhamba nomamezala wakho in Sweden and uhlala khona, you work in some grocery store now, you actually earn more than imali yakho yaku-YouTube la in South Africa. I'm just like, hey, what's going on? 9,300 guys that was paid but akazaza post. I'm like, yabona ukuthi YouTube mnandi ivideo yenze today and abantu babemhleka uYouTube, what's up, please just get a job. Besho kwabanye mina I do have a 9 to 5 but I know get a job with my 4 channels, by the way, is a YouTube, but at the same time only one channel is paying. This one News Galo ngisalinde review kwathiwa 6 weeks usuwadlula guys, I've been waiting but it's all good. And then oLerato umuntu oyihlalela inyanga yonke angaposti at all. I'm just like, what? Wow, 9,300 usekhokhele YouTube kuyavalwa phela ngeyi-12 ethu i-payment. Awupost umuntu 93 wathi now kodwa mina I'm chilling in Sweden angenzile lutho. You know? Then you just like, hayibo yena wenza ngani? Later on ngizoniphathela iy'tori zikaRatile, naye unenkinga eningi, yamkhumbula lawa kwi-Mami Club. Thank you so much guys for always loving and supporting this channel. Thank you.